Hi, I just want to do a really quick video on how to post your videos someplace that makes them available so that when you submit your applications and your homework assignments, you can just put in a link to the video. I'm going to show you the YouTube way. There's other services in there, and I'm sure you can figure it out if you wanted to use a different service. I just wanted to kind of give at least a little mini tutorial on how to do it through YouTube so that you can at least have one way to do it that's fairly easy to do and free. First thing you need to do is for every assignment, you're going to have to do like some sort of screen capture video. There's a couple different options you can do. You can use a Zoom meeting where you're in it, and you go ahead and you share your screen and go ahead and do your walkthrough, and then save the video. Record the meeting session, then you can save that video and upload it. You can also do the same thing with Teams. I use a program called Snagit that works really well. It's not free. It costs about $35 a year for the education price, but you don't have to upgrade after that. You can just keep using the same one. You don't have to upgrade year after year unless they have a new feature that you'd like. So you create your video, and then you need to make it available to submit in Canvas. So I've got my YouTube up here. I'm logged in as me, so you just need a Google account. It's usually a Gmail account, or you can create a Google account with any other email address. I use my BYU Idaho email address for all my school stuff, and so I've got that. So if you go click on the icon with your face on it, you can go to YouTube Studio. Okay, from here, this is where all your content is. If you click on this button up in the upper right called Create, then Upload Videos, it allows you to select a video. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. I'm going to do maybe this one's fairly small. I'm just going to upload that. So you hit open, and then it will upload your video. Okay, you give it a title, name, something descriptive, like week 2 CSE 325 assignment, something like that. Who cares about thumbnail? This is just for homework assignments. You don't need to worry about playlists. You can say it's made for kids or not. I would hope that all your assignments are made for kids, but or age appropriate. And then you just hit next. Oh, I guess you're forced to actually select one. You don't have to do any of this stuff. You hit next. This is where you can make it private. If you make it private, that's great, but you have to then add my account to somebody who can actually go and see it. Another alternative way is you can make it unlisted, so it won't come up in any kind of Google searches or anything, or YouTube searches, but only somebody with the link could actually see the video. And so that's kind of an easier way to do something semi-private. So I would do it unlisted unless you really want to make it public for everybody for your homework assignment. I'd do unlisted, or you can do private here. And this is where you can do your invitees, and you just do jferguson@byui.edu and notify by email if you want, but you'll include the link anyways, like that. Or you can make it unlisted like this. You can schedule it. I don't know why you would for homework. Then you just hit save. Then it's going to kind of go through and process your video. It's going to convert it into some format that Google really likes for YouTube, but it says, sorry, we're not able to save your video. That's unfortunate. I don't know why that would be. It says it's having trouble. I'm going to retry in 7 seconds. I don't know what's going on here. Anyways, when all goes well, it should upload. Here's your link. You can copy that link, or you can just go ahead and go to it. Oh, it did upload it. I don't know why it had problems there. So then you can just copy that link, and this is what you put into the submission in Canvas, is this link right here. nice way to do it is to go ahead and put it as a hyperlink. That way I don't have to copy and paste it when I do my grading. It's kind of nice. But if you do, it's not the end of the world. I can deal. And I think Canvas will actually try to embed it too. If you just copy and paste the link in there. So anyways, that's how you do it. It's not very hard. And you should be able to, get your videos out there for your assignments and make it easier for me to grade. I do ask you to go ahead and remove the videos after the semester is over so that people can't go and search for them in future semesters, maybe see how you did things, kind of get some unfair advantage instead of working through the assignments on their own. So I do ask you that you do that at the end of the semester. So anyways, good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.